Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Schmitty's Garage. My name is Schmitty. This is my quote-unquote wannabe garage because I don't have a garage just yet, but don't worry, we'll get one soon. This is the second video of this Ford F-150 series where we had just replaced the grill in the previous video, and now we are going to replace the headlights. Super simple. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First thing that you want to do is you want to get into the truck, you want to locate your hood latch release. You're gonna end up pulling this guy towards you this way. The hood latch is going to release. You're gonna come to the front, obviously, and down here, you're going to find the latch, which is right under the O in Ford, or if you have the regular grill, you'll see it. It's just to the left of your hood latch. All right, so you're gonna end up pushing this guy like this and it'll release the hood that way. Alrighty, so moving right along, I like to start with the left side, which is the right side in reverse. So the passenger side, we'll start with the passenger side and we'll work our way over to the driver's side. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this 10 up top. We're gonna pull back this cover here. So this one has a broken tab. Otherwise you would remove a 10 that would be right there and a 10 right down there. And then the headlight comes out and then you just unplug it. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this side here. Once again, there's a 10 up there, a 10 and a 10. And then you just unplug the harness and then you're good to go. So these are aftermarket headlights, just in case any of you already know that. These do have LEDs already in them. There's some LEDs right over here, the LED ring. I believe, no, these are halogen and the high beams are halogen as well. Besides that, it is a pretty basic headlight. I personally don't like them. I like the OEM style better, especially with the blacked out housing. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the headlights before we install them. And yeah, so let's get straight to it. Okay, so here they are. Here are the headlights, brand new. And I'm gonna give you guys the satisfaction of watching me unpeel these. Once again, very hard with one hand. Wow, they look even better in person. I need you to hold this head. Come over here and hold this headlight. Hold it. Hold it. What are you doing? Okay, that only took 100 years to do. So yeah, I'm gonna end up doing the other side, and we're going to remove those, and then we're going to set these guys up in there. Alrighty. Okay, so this I may be able to do with one hand, so let's go ahead and just check it out. Right. So I believe there's a nut on the bottom side of that one, so that's why that one's not coming out. We're missing the one up top here because the bracket broke, so we're gonna go ahead and yeah, that one, the bracket broke, so we're gonna go ahead and just put the 10 over here. There we go. Don't drop. Nice. Let's put you right there. And we'll go ahead to this side. We're gonna go ahead, remove that. Sorry, we're gonna remove this guy down in here. Okay, we got that one. Let's put this one right over there. Sorry, there's like a bunch of mosquitoes over here, so I'm trying to do this as quickly as possible. And then we got that guy out right there. Let's put him over here. where everybody puts their bolts. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the headlights now, and I will catch you guys in the next clip. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It was raining yesterday, so I just had to pack that up real quick and, you know, head inside. I didn't want anything else to get wet. So yeah, so this is the end result with the grill and the headlights. I think it looks great, honestly. I think it's such a good facelift for this truck. Yeah, so had a little bit of trouble with those bulbs. So the previous headlights that I had took 9006. These require H13s, so it looks like I have to order some H13s. I'm gonna grab some LEDs and throw them in there. So there's that. But I did check the marker lamp and the turn signals. Those work. Didn't get a chance to wire up the 3 LEDs on the grill yet, because I'm not sure exactly which power source I want to tap into just yet. I'm gonna do a little bit of research on that beforehand, and I will probably make a video. Excuse me, I'm recording. Jesus. So yeah, so I'll probably just make a video about that fairly soon, so then I can show you guys how to wire it up and where to wire it up to. But always make sure to do your own due diligence, as you know, each truck is different. So, you know, you don't want to just follow what I'm doing. You want to make sure that, you know, you're looking for your specific truck. Yeah, but this is the end result. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, as it helps me and the channel grow. And yeah, I'm looking forward to making more content for you guys soon. We just hit 1,500 subscribers. I'm super stoked. This is always like a dream of mine to just, you know, push out YouTube videos and just, you know, make content for you guys. Like I really enjoy it. It's really cool. Alrighty guys, so if you're feeling compelled to subscribe to the channel, please do so. And like I said, like, comment,